You're elbow deep under a sink, or maybe you're balancing on a roof truss. Down on the concrete, your phone starts buzzing. You can't reach it in time. The harsh reality of that moment is that people rarely leave voicemails. They hang up, pull up Google, and call the next contractor on the list. Every unanswered ring represents an immediate transfer of revenue straight out of your pocket and into a competitor's bank account. Look at a standard 40-hour workweek. This chart isolates a massive leak. Small business owners lose 30% of their week to repetitive administrative tasks. That time vanishes into grueling off-the-clock work, late-night data entry, manual follow-ups, and fighting the friction of scheduling. Every hour spent copying numbers into a spreadsheet is an hour you aren't turning a wrench, finishing a build, or closing a high-value estimate. The math catches up with you. That administrative vacuum acts as a hard ceiling, strictly limiting how much your business can actually grow. To seal that leak, we turn to a solution built in Carlisle, Iowa. It's called Elite8AI. The founder, Mahesh, comes from a background in military service and hands-on engineering. This technology was built by someone who understands execution in the field, removed from the tech bro theory of Silicon Valley software. Elite8AI operates like a local mechanic for your business. They build practical, hard-working systems designed to function in the messiness of the real world. Their system starts with an AI receptionist. It acts as a 24/7 frontline worker, answering every single call the second it rings. The AI receptionist routes connections directly to your calendar. The follow-up engine automatically texts new form submissions, ensuring 0 dropped leads. The reputation builder requests a 5-star review the moment a job is complete. This custom setup remains entirely private, avoiding generic AI risks. Working together, these 3 tools form a permanent, automated plug. They seal up every major administrative leak draining your service business. Picture your morning routine with this system active. You wake up, check your phone, and see a calendar full of confirmed appointments and handled leads before you've even made coffee. In practical terms, this setup reclaims 10 to 30 hours per week. That is real time you can put back into paid work or simply use to take your weekend back. Your business transitions from a manual labor trap, reliant entirely on your own energy, into a self-running asset that protects its own revenue. The time saved, lost leads recovered, and revenue protected. You have to stop losing high-value jobs to a full voicemail box. Your next move is to book a free, no-obligation 30-minute AI audit with Elite8AI to identify exactly how much revenue you can recover. Booking this audit is the definitive, practical step required to take back control of your time and permanently stop the bleeding.